Yes. So yesterday we have discussed about what is the purpose of cloning and how to know what are the advantages of cloning. Everything we have discussed. Correct. So whenever you are okay, now yesterday you would have asked me something like okay, I will wipe off the from production to UAT from production. See how you will move the update set from one instance to another instance, from dev to UAT, UAT to production. Correct? Here I will write it for update set movement will be from dev to UAT, dev to UAT and UAT to production. This is what we discussed. Correct? But cloning is how you will do the cloning? From production to dev, production
to UAT.
understand?
Yes.
Now production to UAT, that is fine. But if you do the production, see here you have 33 requirements as per our yesterday's example. Okay. Okay, as per yesterday's example, you have 33 requirements. If on and in these 33 requirements, 3 requirements are still in progress. 3 requirements are in progress. Understand?
Yeah.
But in the production, if you do the cloning, all 33 requirements will be wiped off and you will have the fresh 20 requirements will be there. Correct?
Yes.
Then what about these 3 in progress requirements? All your effort will be wiped off, correct? Will be removed. Again, you have to start your functionality building again. Is that correct?
Correct.
Then how will you manage? You understand my question, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then this is how you have to ask me question, deep questions. Correct?
Yeah.
Then tell me, how will you manage? If this is your interview question, how will you manage? Tell me.
By saving the updates at XML file.
Excellent, that is correct. By saving the XML file in your desktop, on your desktop. So whoever is doing the cloning, the administrator will do the cloning. Okay, it is administrator job. What they will do is, when the client is asking you to go for cloning, if today is 27, that means if today is July 1st, July 15th we will schedule. It is not like, you just ask me and I will do it in 1 hour. No, we will take 15 days time. So on 15th June, I will schedule the cloning. Then I will immediately, I will send the email to all the developers saying that, hi team, we are going to clone the system from production to UAT on 15th June, in our example on 15th July 2023. Like this. Who will send the email, guys? System and ServiceNow
Administrator.
Yeah, we'll send the email. So please take a backup of all your development work functionality. That means backup means by 15th, that means by 14th January, either move for your functionality to production. You by 14th July, by move the if there is any chance, move the all your functionality to production, or take the backup in XML and keep it on your desktop. Once the cloning is done, then you know how to upload the update set again, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
By going to retrieved update sets, you can upload the XML one more time and continue your work. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Kriti,
Yes.
Shiva, Swati, Varma. Varma here is Sai Varma or other Varma? Who is Varma here? Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay. So now you understand. So you have to take the backup. So here ServiceNow administrator will do. He will send the email on 1st July 2023 to all the developers asking for taking the backup. Again, after 5 days, that means on 5th July, again ServiceNow administrator will send a reminder, first reminder saying that same email, please take up of all your backups. On 10th January, second reminder he will send. On 14th January, that is tomorrow if you are doing a cloning, on 14th January, again you will send the email, third reminder saying that please take up all your backups. On 15th January, you will do the cloning. But by that time also, if development team has not taken the backup, everything will be wiped off. You cannot do anything. That is not the ServiceNow administrator responsibility because you have already sent 4 emails on the same. Second thing, then how will you schedule it? That means on the left side navigation pane, go to clone request. See, under system clone, you have clone request module. Open it. See, these are the profile. What profile? So from where? That means if it is, if you are right now you are on production, guys. Right now you are on production. Okay. From the profile, you will select the production URL or whatever you want, system profile. Okay, system profile you will select. Target instance, you wanted to do the development or UAT. It will ask you. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you have to select the dev or UAT based upon your requirement. Clone scheduled start time. When you wanted to do July 15th, right? So you will select this and July 15th, that is on Saturday at morning 10 o'clock, you want to start the cloning. Okay. See, this is how you can do it. Now, email upon completion. If you add Anish Verma, Ashwini like this, after completion of cloning, ServiceNow system will send emails to these IDs. Okay.
Okay.
Then what are these options? Exclude tables specified in exclusion list. Exclude tables specified in exclusion list. That means cloning means, what do you mean by cloning, guys? Here, when you are cloning the system from production to dev, whatever you have in the production will be moved to dev environment. Whatever you have in the production will be moved to dev environment. If that is the case, if something you wanted to do something on the incident form, you don't want to clone the incident form, you don't want accept incident form, you want to clone everything, then what you can do is exclude tables in exclusion list is there, no? So on the left side navigation pane, here in the clone, exclude tables are there. If you click on this, already the 160 tables are excluded by default. Apart from that, if you want to exclude anything, you can click on new. Incident table. You want to tell, table name you have to write, guys. Please remember, you have to write the table name. Submit. Now, right now, your incident table is on exclusion list. So, whenever you are doing a cloning on this date, in this date, the incident table will be excluded. Change problem knowledge, other tables will be cloned. Okay, and usually when we will clone the system, or if it is a big project, every 3 months we will clone the systems, every 3 months. So this time, that means in the July clone, I don't want to clone incident. But July, August, September, October, in the November month, I will do the cloning again, right? Now I want to include the incident table also in the cloning list. Then I will go to exclude tables here and I will incident. See, I will click on this and I will delete from the exclusion list. Any confusion on this?
No.
No.
Okay, then what is exclude audit and log data? Audit log data means we are moving the functionality and everything from production to dev. So now you tell me, guys, all the 2 lakh employees will log into production or dev environment,
Production.
correct? So if they are logging into production, whoever has logged into the system and what they have done, whether they have touched on the incident form, they have touched the caller field, how many times they have saved the record, and what are the changes they have done, everything will be logged in the production environment. So if I move all the data from production to dev, that log data is necessary to have in dev environment or not?
No. No. Not
No.
required.
Not required, right? So that is the reason why what we are doing, exclude audit and log data. Clear? So that's the reason
Yes.
we are excluding audit and log data from production to dev. Okay, then exclude attachment data. So as we discussed here, so when we are moving the functionality of all the data from production to dev, in the production, all 2 lakh employees will be logging and they will attach screenshots or documents for their references. All those attachments and references to be moved to development is necessary or not? Because every day 10,000 tickets will be there and into 30 days, that means 3 lakh records. 3 months means 9 lakh records. In the 9 lakh records, if 4 lakh records are having attachments, all the attachments have to be moved to development environment also.
Not required.
Not required. So that is the reason why we are excluding attachment data also. Got it?
Yes.
Next, what is a preserve theme? Preserve theme is nothing but here I have told you we will have 3 environments: dev, UAT, and production. Usually, on the header we will have red color banner, yellow color banner, production green color banner. Banner is nothing but this one, banner. So that whenever administrator logs into dev, UAT, and production, usually where you will start developing the functionality, guys, production, UAT, or development environment.
Development environment.
Correct. So unfortunately, by overlooking, because all the 3 instances will be looking like same. Unfortunately, if you start developing the functionality in production, that will be a big issue or small issue?
Big issue.
Big issue, right? So to avoid that confusion, usually the headers will be changed so that administrator, by every time he cannot go to this link and check whether it is development, UAT, or production, right? So
Correct.
that's the reason why what we will do is we will change the theme. That means banner color we will change for development. We will put it as red. For UAT we will put it as amber, and for production it will be green color or gray color, normal color. So that administrator can easily identify where he is doing the development, where he is moving, all these things. But here in the cloning, if you move the all the functionality from production to dev, actually production will be in green color. If you do all these things, the development theme will also be changed to green, correct?
Correct.
So that's the reason why we are excluding the preserve theme from the cloning. That means as it is, the theme will be as it is, the development will be red, production will be green. It will be as it is. It will, no changes will be done on the theme part. Got it?
Yes.
Other guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lock settings for this clone request. This is a new one, it seems. Exclude clone with the current UI options plus configuration in clone profile. Okay. Default behavior is to apply profile configuration. This is a new one in UTA. Earlier it was not there. Default behavior is to apply profile configurations at the time of clone execution. Okay. 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 Now I understand. After you submit, subsequent changes to clone profile will not apply to this clone request. Okay. Okay, now I understand. So whenever you are doing a production clone from production to any other clones, you will can configure your own settings. You can configure your own settings on your production. Understand? So wait for a second. I will show you. Clone profiles. Yes, this is what I was looking for. So this is a clone profile. If I open this profile, see, all these are default ones. Preservers are there, clients cleanups are there. These are all default ones. Default one means if you are doing from production, the target that will be done like this only. No other changes will be there. But if you go and where is that? Yeah. If you go and lock this one, default things will be done. Got it?
Yes.
You understand my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
So usually, so data copied from specified table, full or latest last 90 days. That means here we are moving all the data from production to dev. That means 3 months data we have, or all data. That means 1 year data, 2 years data. See, if every day 10,000 tickets means per month 3 lakh tickets, for 12 into 3, 39, right? So per month 39 sorry, per year 39 lakh records. That means 40 lakh records, 4 million records. And for 2 years, it is 8 million records. So do you need all that 8 million data into dev? Is that required?
No.
No. So that's the reason why if you want only latest 90 days data, you can pull it, full or 90. Okay, preserve in progress global update sets. This is the beautiful, this is we got from San Diego only. Earlier it was not there. Tokyo or San Diego, it was introduced actually, but it is not working as per the functionality. It is not working up to the mark, don't use it. Preserve in progress means, please go on mute guys if you are not speaking. Please concentrate. It is very, very important. Sometime back, what I told you was, when you are doing a cloning from production to dev, we are asking all the developers to take back, right? Take their update set backup. But what ServiceNow is providing, preserve users in progress global update sets. That means whatever the update sets which are in progress, when you do the cloning, they will not get wiped off. They will not get wiped off. It will be still there. Only completed update sets will be wiped off. But this functionality is not working up to the mark. Don't trust this functionality. Got it?
Yes.
Preserve users and reserve related tables. Preserve users and related tables. What is the user forms related tables, guys? Tell me. User forms related tables. Fast. This is very, very silly
Incident-
question. Simple question.
Incident
You,
table.
you,
What is the user forms related tables?
User to
users table.
User table, I am also telling. No, I am talking about related
Incident-
tables.
Incident table.
User forms related tables means if you come on to the user table, here you can see the location. It is, you are getting it from the location table, correct?
yeah.
So it is a related table. And no, department is there. You are getting this data from department table, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are called related tables. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing is, sorry. So what we are doing here, give me a second, I'll show you. Where is that? Yeah. So preserve users and reserve, preserve users and related tables. That means, for in the development and UAT, you will add some users for testing, correct? You will add some locations for testing. But
Yes.
if you move all the original functionality from production to dev, all your testing profiles will be deleted. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that is the reason why we are preserving. Don't touch that user and related tables. Clone frequency. Weekly, bi-weekly, we will never use this one because usually weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, no one will do the cloning. Every 3 months, any big project or 3 months, we will do the cloning. Okay.
Okay.
And you will click on submit button. On 15th July, automatically ServiceNow itself will do the cloning. You don't need to do anything here. At that time, if you want to watch whether the cloning is in progress or not, then what you can do is clone active clones. If you go to active clones, here it will show you whether what is the state of the current clone activity, everything it will show you here in this one, in this list, system clones. If you go to clone history, here it will show you how many when your ServiceNow instance are started, how many times you have cloned your instance, everything, how much time it has taken, everything it will show here. Understand?
Yes.
And
Yes,
the next thing. So if in the interview question, usually in the interview, if they will ask you a question like this, like, have you ever done cloning? You will say yes. They will ask you, okay, very good. So last time when you have done the cloning, you will say 3 months back. Okay, they will ask you how much time it has taken. What will be your answer?
Based on the data.
Okay. Any other answers from anybody? That's what I'm saying, guys. So whatever he knows, he told like, based upon the data. Whatever you know, tell me. Then I will correct you. Whether it is a wrong answer, right answer, small answer, I don't mind. Don't hesitate to speak out. Please answer. If I ask you this question, what will be your answer? Yes, that is correct. Based upon your data, based upon your bandwidth or network bandwidth at that time. That is based upon that. Understand?
Yes.
This is how you need to
Yes.
answer the interviews. Okay, this is all about cloning, guys. I will send you this video. This is only because ServiceNow will do it. We will not do anything. On that particular day, it will do it. Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow we will discuss other topic. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.